So, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth is a condition in which bacteria proliferate in the upper intestinal tract. And this can cause malabsorption, as well as a variety of different symptoms such as bloating and cramping and reflux. Probably the most notorious cause for this intestinal bacterial overgrowth is going to be the chronic use of an antacid. Zive 7 happens to be a beautiful, beautiful product for exactly this purpose. There are digestive bitters, and they actually have an antimicrobial effect to them. And that antimicrobial effect can kick out some of these upper small intestinal bacteria. The spore forming probiotic will also do that for you. Your own microbiome will become more diverse. And as a result of that increased diversity, it will improve your metabolic condition, all by virtue of correcting this upper intestinal tract microbiome situation and inflammatory situation in Zive 7 is a critical part of that.